All right, so welcome to this OWASP SAMM community call of February 2026. As usual, we have a couple of project updates on, in this case, upcoming SAMM events, and we'll be hosting again a SAMM mini podcast where we have Timo Pegel from DSOMM who's joining us, and we're going to discuss how SAMM and DSOMM can work together. But first, let's discuss a couple of upcoming events. Upcoming trainings. So if you're listening or seeing this on YouTube and it's still before February 25, 2026, and you're in or near London, we do host a SAMM training. Aram is scheduled to be there for 2 days of SAMM training as part of the OWASP trainings. There's still some seats available, so don't hesitate to join us there. If that is too short by, or you want to join us later in the year, in Vienna, and it's not in February, but in June 2026. So just to be very clear, it's going to be in June as part of the Vienna program. There's also a one-day SAMM training as part of the OWASP Europe conference. And also as part of that same conference, we have, as usual, a user day. And what's special about this user day is that it's going to be together with DSOMM. And so we have Timo Pegel and a couple of other people from the DSOMM community, together with people from the OWASP SAMM community, who are going to come together and share experiences, what works, what doesn't work on OWASP SAMM and DSOMM. So again, that's also going to be part of OWASP Europe conference in Vienna in June 24th. Actually, that's on Wednesday. You do have to register for it. So if you have registered for the conference, don't forget to register for the SAMM and DSOMM user day as well. If you want to make or want to participate in an even more active role, we do welcome proposals for talks, workshops, roundtables on that same day. There's a link here. It should also be very easy to find it back on the owaspsamm.org website on the SAMM user day. So if you have ideas to share, experiences to share, please submit your proposals in the next couple of days or weeks as soon as possible, because we are putting together the program as we speak, and hopefully we'll put it online by the next community call, which is, as always, the second Wednesday of the month. So this month, some months we do deep dives on certain topics. Some months we invite guest speakers on SAMM-related talks. Sometimes we also do just like Ask Me Anything sessions. But we started a couple of podcast series, and again this month we're hosting a mini podcast where we're going to talk about 2 maturity models. So you get 2 maturity models for the price of 1. All right, so we're wrapping up the community call here. So a couple of like practical aspects how to keep and stay in touch with us. There's a couple of URLs hidden behind these QR codes. So if you're wary of them, you can find these links at the bottom of owaspsamm.org. But we have a Slack channel where I would highly recommend that you join that. That's where most of our community questions and Q&A are actually happening. For the moment, we still have Meetup. So if you want to get updates on upcoming community calls, it's still valid to use that. It might be that Meetup would be replaced over in the next couple of months, but we'll definitely inform you. We do record a lot of these sessions and post them on our YouTube channel. And to make sure that you get updates on any upcoming activities or stay up to date on in terms of like SAMM related activities, make sure to register for our newsletter, which is totally spam-free guaranteed. With that, I thank you for joining and hopefully see you next time in one of our community calls, or maybe on the SAMM User Day in Europe, in Vienna, or even later in the year in San Francisco as part of the OWASP USA conference. Thank you.